girlies, so today I'm going to be doing my tampon storage, as I have quite a few, as you can see, and I have loads more in my stockpile. That's why I haven't done a period storage, is because it's quite big and I know it'll be a long video. Okay, let's get right into it because my phone's almost dead and I don't have that much battery on it. Okay, so the first thing here is Lillette's non-applicator regular, and in here there's a little spray for some reason, but there's a load of the Lillette's regular non-applicator and a few of the Tesco non-applicator regular in there. The next thing are these, is a count of 16, and then these are the Lillette's non-applicator supers, and they look like that. That's what one of them looks like. Okay, now I'll do this later. This is just the ones that I've used. Okay, now to the main bulk storage. So I've got one Lillette's Super Plus applicator. That's what they look like. And then on top, I've just got a load I've just got all them, and these are the U by Kotex Click Supers, and they look like this. I've also got them over here, but I'll show you them in a minute. Okay, so starting with the normal length tampons, over here I've got the Tampax Pearl Supers, then I've got the Tampax Pearl Regulars, and the Tampax Cardboard Regulars. Okay, now on to compacts. So over here I have the Tampax Compact Regulars. I have the same as Supers, and here is an opened applicator, which I don't know what's in there, but that's what that looks like. Then over here I have the Tampax Compact Supers. Like I said, I've got all the rest of the U by Kotex. They're all there. I've got quite a few of them. And then over here I've got Tampax Pocket Pearl Supers, and over here are the regulars. Okay, so that's all I have for my tampons, and I know you don't need that much, but I prefer to have that much. In here I just have all the open tampons that I own. So I have things like the Tampax Pearl Regulars, Tampax Plus Super, I've got the Tampax Tampax Pocket Pearl Regular, got Tampax Compact Regular, I've got the Tampax Cardboard Regular, Tampax Pocket Pearl Super, yeah, what else have I got? Oh, I've got a Tampax Compact Light, and I just have a load in there, which I don't actually know I have that many open. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. That was my storage, and I hope it was useful to you guys, because I love making videos where I can help people out, and they're just good videos to make. So comment down in the bio what you want me to do next. I'll leave my link to my Kik and my Twitter on there, so go kick me and tweet me on there, and I will soon be on there, so I'll be following you guys back on Twitter if you follow me. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below any requests, or like I said, kick me. Peace.